week. It's a brand new month, and it's already the late morning, and we begin Mental Health Awareness Month. May 1st, 2024, CN Hayes here on this May Day, 10:52, coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian National Superior Sub-Main at mile 353.37 near the south end of Ladysmith Yard, with a video lined up for you today. Seems like we got another power swap that's going to be taking place here, because it looks like the 5435 must saw its last day, signed for 519, I think. And I also see there that 5466 is also kind of separated there alongside, as it sits by the 5407 that decides to make the return. It must have decided to change things up to be done for the wood tick for now. So this is going to be a nice little pairing here. 5435 must have saw its last day yesterday. It's probably on the 564 now, and 63. For this video today, we will have it southbound on the way, as it is already on the approach to Ladysmith. It's already near mile 355, as it was already by Murray. On the Barron Sub-Main, the northbound sand load of the S77381 of the first is on standby right at the ranger station, just a little bit shy of milepost 128. And the pair of tier 4s of the 3047 and 3146 are on standby, as they will run in a 1x1 locomotive configuration. We'll handle the 102 loads to send it up to S1 Landing, Alberta, Canada. So for a few moments and wait on the southbound arrival. Alright, 10:55. Southbound is on its approach now, as it just is about ready to roll by mile 354.49. We'll have a Jevo to lead it on that. Do another pause and await the arrival. Near the top of the hour, southbound has arrived. Manifest this time. Sounds like I hear a tier 4 along for the ride as well. There's a real half gate drop. Configuration 3033 again. again. Alright. Guess I don't mind that at all. And that will do it for the 342 to be exact. That'll do it for the M342 41 of the 30th. And we'll do it for the 3033 and the C6M rebuild of the first batch of the 3301 once again. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out. See ya and Hayes out.